Orange and even red skies blanketed San Francisco, Oakland, and California, and ash rained down with wildfires far in the distance. When the smoke and ash get even thicker close to the wildfires, it can cut the sunlight out completely, making it look like the dead of night. Residents turned on lights, looking into a rust-colored sky that made it look like nighttime. Winds are carrying the wildfire smoke from afar. Both the Creek Fire and the North Complex Fire are burning more than 200 miles away, yet their presence could be felt in the Bay Area. The smoke and ash are acting like nature's version of an Instagram filter. The particles in the air are reflecting sunlight, similar to the way small air particles do when the sun sets or rises. The particles scatter the shorter wavelengths of blue and green, making us unable to see them. The longer wavelengths of red and yellow pass through the bottom, giving us this haunting effect. Climate change is clearly influencing the wildfires. Higher heat and temperatures, more drought, more dry trees, and greater extreme weather, including winds.